Hello guys, my name is Vishwa and I am going to explain about dynamic routing protocol using service authentication. So as you can see here that I have a site A, site B and site C configured in the network. For the site A, I named that site as a Gulfs network, site B as a Waterloo and site C as a Kitchener network. So for that, for the Gulf site, I perform dynamic routing with OSPF protocol. For the Waterloo router, for the Waterloo site, I perform EIGRP protocol, and for the Kitchener site, I performed RIP protocol. So dynamic routing is required when you wanted to establish a communication outside of your network. Access router will show the protocol implement on its own site. For example, Waterloo access router will display EIGRP protocol. As you can see here that Waterloo access router is showing EIGRP protocol, same as Gulf Edge router. Same as Gulf Edge router will show you the EIGRP and RIP protocol. I did redistribution for the EIGRP on the Gulf Edge router. I also perform message of the day, then login local, login synchronization, and host name on that site for the every site. I also use service password encryption for the encrypted password. And for the Gulf access router, you can see here that I use AAA accounting authorization and authentication for my Gulf access router and Gulf Edge router. And I performed that one on TechArc server. As you can see here on the AAA, I put a client name, client IP, server type, and secret key. I use secret key as a secret 55, which is the same for the password. Same as that on the Kitchener Edge router. I perform RIP protocol and did redistribution of EIGRP protocol. Now I will try to ping with the Radius server to the any of the devices. And as you can see here that I got the successful ping for the every router and each switch and every laptop. I can also do SSH. I can also do SSH for every device is like Kitchener Edge router or Kitchener Access router. Now I will try to do SSH for the Gulf Access router. And as you can see here that I got all the access for the Gulf Access router. So I did the AAA authentication in the right way. I can also ping VLANs. So I am going to try pinging VLAN 20 from VLAN 10. And I got my ping successful. Same as that, I did AAA Radius server 2. I gave a client ID, client name, server type, and secret key. I put the secret key as secret 55. So I can as you can see here that I also got the access for Waterloo Radius server. So for that I make website, the small website on the Radius Waterloo Radius server. And yes, I got all the successful ping, AAA authentication, and SSH login within the router. So now I think I am done with my video presentation. Thank you.
Itu. Lu pelu gograti gograti sana.